All right, Algebra 1, we're doing inequalities. These are pretty easy. We're going to start off base today, and then we're going to work on adding and subtracting them, and then we're going to go from there. All right, so inequalities, this should be a review for you. Inequality is a statement that two quantities are not equal. Now, I don't really like this definition. Even though the book comes up with it, I don't really like it. The main reason is because those two, they both say or equal to. So it doesn't mean that an inequality can't be equal to, it just means it can't just be equal to. So, to talk about these, this means less than. This means more than. And these mean the same thing, but or equal to. And then this one, y'all all know, means not equal at all. All right, so let's go on. Solution of an inequality is any value that makes the inequality true. Where people get confused about inequalities is we're not solving for one number. We're solving for several numbers, and usually it's an infinite amount of numbers. So for example, b less than negative 1.5. What that's saying is that b is a number that's less than negative 1.5. So how many numbers do you know that's less than 1.5? Or negative 1.5? Well, negative 1.6, negative 1.27, negative 1.8, negative 1.9, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, goes on forever. So there's an infinite amount of solutions for this one problem. So the only way we can show a solution is by drawing a graph. So the first thing you're going to do is draw a line. Here's my line. They have arrows to show they go forever. Then you're going to put little nick marks. So I always put one right in the middle for 0. You don't have to do that as long as it makes sense. You always want numbers above the quantity you're representing and below the quantity you're representing. So like negative 1.5, that's right here. Negative 1.5. It's between negative 1 and negative 2. Also, I represent the positive sides too. Now, what you do is you circle negative 1.5 because that's the number we're talking about. Circle it. Now, since it doesn't include negative 1.5 because it's saying it's less than, you do not fill it in because it doesn't include it. But you do fill in everything else that it includes. So less than, numbers that are less than are to the left. So everything this direction is less than. And that's how you represent your answer. So let's do another one. R is greater than or equal to 2. Draw our line. Here's 0. Here's 1. Here's 2. Here's 3. Here's some negative numbers. All right, I'm going to circle 2. Now it says that it's greater than or equal to. So that means I fill in the 2. And then I shade everything that's greater than 2. So all the decimals and 3 and beyond. That's it. That's all you do to show it. Let's do one more. H is greater than 4.5. Draw our line. And we have 0. I'm going to put 0 over here now. So I have room 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 4.5 should be right here. I'm going to circle 4.5. I don't fill it in. And everything bigger than 4.5, so it goes this direction. That's it. And that's all we're going to be talking about tomorrow. Now, if we have time, we're going to go a little bit into absolute values, which is going to be really cool. and confusing. But we'll get there. All right, so I'll see y'all tomorrow. That's it, folks.